Last month, we told you about an air filter invented right here in Houston that can catch and kill 99.9% of the coronavirus. Well, that technology is now being used by some Texas school districts, and soon you'll see it at the George R. Brown Convention Center. Michelle Choi explains.
Decked out in its red, white, and blue color scheme, Houston's GRB isn't just recognizable, it's also one of the largest convention centers in the country. But since the pandemic, business has gone way down. It's why they're opening a new state-of-the-art virtual studio and doing it safely by installing 3 of these mobile coronavirus-killing air purifiers.
This is the first and only biodefense system proven to destroy airborne coronavirus instantaneously.
Invented right here in Houston by Integrated Viral Protection founder Manzur Hourani and a team of top leading scientists in the Texas area, this air filtration system can both catch and kill 99.999% of the virus.
We're placing a way to bring the freshest, cleanest air indoors.
Here's how the 2-part system works.
One is the mobile unit to help with person-to-person transmission, as we know that virus can be in the air for up to essentially 16, 17 hours and travel 27 feet or so. And then the heated HEPA system that's installed in the HVAC system helps to mitigate virus that could be in the circulation. So it's a double hit whammy to an environment.
And it's done without impacting the air's actual temperature.
We can rise the temperature very quickly to be energy efficient, not using a lot of power, kill the virus, but then also not heat the air around it.
The filtration system is already being used in some Texas school districts, and eventually the entire George R. Brown Convention Center will be installed with them too. And while the system doesn't replace CDC guidelines like wearing a mask or social distancing, IVP says it is an added layer of protection. The company is now working on bringing its technology to not just businesses, but to families as well.
We will be able to hopefully all return back to life with some sort of normalcy, with a sense of security to breathe with confidence.
Standing for Houston, Michelle Choi, KHOU 11 News.